Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about polynomial. So now I will show you how to answer. Based on the graph above, bx equals to number 0. Write your answer in an appropriate notation. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that when bs equal to number 0, that means the function bs is touched about x-axis. Now, we know that x-axis, that's about this one in here. So we need to find the location when the graph bs is touched on x-axis. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 5 locations where bs touch on x-axis, and that's it about the location when bs equal to number 0. So we can write the answer in here. That should be about s equals to negative number 5, negative number 3, number 0, number 5, and number 7. And we put about the brackets in here. And this is the answer for the question. Question number 2. Determine the minimum value of the multiplicity of each root in the reverse answer. So to do about this one, I will show how to answer. So when the graph like this, or maybe like this is about degree number 1. Now, the next one. When the location of the root like this, or maybe like this, they are degrees number 2. Now, let's go to the next one. When the graph like this, or maybe like this, that's it about degree number 3. So we just have only 1, 2, 3 in here. And now we go back to this one. We see that this one is about parabola. This is about degree number 2, about the root negative number 5. We know that this is about degree number 2. Now let's go about the root negative number 3. So let's just go down like this. This is about degree number 1. Now when the root equal to number 0 in here, let's just go the strength like this. This is about degree number 1. We see that this is about parabola. So that's about degree number 2. And the last one, they go in this way. This is about the root number 1. And this is the answer for question number 2. Question number 3. What is the minimum order degree of this polynomial? So, if we look carefully, we need to find about the boom in here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, we have 6 booms in here. So, we can find about the degree of this polynomial. That should be about 6 plus 1 equals to number 7 in here. So the answer is about number 7. The next one, write a minimum equation of bx live in factor form. So we need to consider about this one too. So bx, I will put about a. This is about coefficient of this polynomial. So we have the root negative number 5. So that should be about s plus 5. Because if we put negative number 5, you got about 0 for this one in here. Because this is about degree number 2. So we need to put the power 2 in here. The next one, s plus 3. Because this is about the number 1, so we just put like this. We have s equal to number 0, so we put s in here. The next one is about number 5 with degree number 2, so that should be about s minus 5 to the power of 2. This is about number 1, so you got about s minus 7. And this is the answer for the question. And the last one, we need to show bx is smaller than or equals to number 0. Write the answer in appropriate notation. Now, if we look on the graph, we see that we should know we have this equal to number 0 in here. So that means we need to conclude. We need to contain about negative number 5, negative number 3, 0, 5, and 7. And now, bx is smaller than number 0. That means about this area in here. This area is about negative. So we need to consider about this one and this one. So the answer for the question, that should be about we need to contain about negative number 5. This one is about union. So we have negative number 3 and number 0. This is about square brackets. That means we contain about the value at s equal to negative number 3 and s equal to number 0. Union. We see that we have number 5. So we put number 5 in here. And the last one, union. We have number 7 in here. And we have positive infinity. We use parentheses. And this is the answer for the question. This is the end. Thank you for watching.